What's up, everybody? Atx Pez here. You guys know what this is? Sure you do. It's an E-Series truck. What am I doing with one of them? Well, I'm prepping for the Atx Pez truck drag races. This year, it's bigger, it's better, and it's way more electronic. Whoa! Did you come last year? And you know all about the truck drag races. You're gonna come this year? You don't want to miss this. What you get? You get a truck upon check-in. It's your basic truck. Yeah, I might have switched some of the cabs around to make them different. Don't worry, it's not like a limited edition. What I challenge you guys to do is then design it and make it your own. Throughout the event, there's going to be craft supplies galore in the event room, and you get to design your truck. Who will win? Well, it's all up to you, because this is not a game of luck, it's a game of skill. Design your truck to be the fastest, most aerodynamic 18 six-wheeler out there, and then claim victory. Will Juana Roscoe and Larry Mason come to defend their titles from last year? I don't know. Hey guys, I'm calling you out. Will you take their title as Truck Drag Race Champion? Coming soon.